If you could film videos once per month and have that generate 100 leads per day, would you want to know how to do that? Because I've done that. I've created a channel this way and it really works. I'm going to show you how. All right, so you ready for this? So to begin, I'm going to show you the channel. It's on my screen right here. This is the Kris Krohn channel. It generates over 100 leads per day. Last month, we had 866,000 views, 5.2 million minutes of watch time. We added an additional 16,000 subscribers. Ad revenue is around 13,000. That's just icing on the cake because this channel generated thousands and thousands of leads, which we have a sales funnel, right? So at the end of the video, we say, hey, if you like this video, we want to give you our book for free. Go ahead and click the link below. You can get the book for free. Just cover the shipping costs. So when they do that, they then enter our sales funnel. They get emails, but they also go through a ClickFunnels sales funnel. There's a course they can buy. There's upsells. There's downsells. We have a telemarketing team that will follow up. And so that's bringing in between $500,000 and $600,000 every single month in lead sales. Okay, so this channel is working really well. So now you know what I'm talking about. We only film 1 day per month. When I meet with all of my clients, I'm actually a producer for 13 different channels. We film 20 or more episodes in a single day, right? And if you're launching 5 episodes a week, then you only have to film once every 4 weeks. So what kind of episodes can you film 20 of them in a single day and have it generate you hundreds of leads every single day? Well, that's what I'm going to show you. Now, we've created over 1,000 episodes on the Kris Krohn channel, and the first 700 of them followed the strategy I'm going to share with you here to the letter. We followed this strategy. We did keyword research before filming. And what I mean by that, let me show you an example. If I put in living room design, okay, this is a friend of mine that I just did this with. She's an interior designer. We put in living room design, and instead of deciding, all right, I want to make a few videos about living room design. What should I make it about? Let's see, I'll come up with a few good titles. No. I used a tool that did the keyword research for me. And when you type that in, you get some cool stats, you hit the questions button, that's when the questions appear. I narrowed it down to these 20, okay? How to design a small living room. How to design a living room, dining room combo. How to design a living room with high ceilings. How to design a living room with large windows. My favorite one I'll skip to. How to design a living room with a corner fireplace. That's the secret. This is the secret right here. You do keyword research, you find these really niche phrases that the competition is not going after. You make your videos with those titles. That's what we did on the Kris Krohn channel. That's how we're generating hundreds of leads per month. Now, I went over that really fast. I have a whole other episode, I'll link to it right there, called my leaf strategy. Each of these specific phrases is a leaf topic video, and I want you to know that in more detail so you can duplicate these results. So just watch that video right there. Okay, so let me give you a little bit more of a history behind the channel so that you can have realistic expectations. You can know how long did it take us to get to this point where we're getting 100 leads per month. Okay, for the first 2.5 years, we only produced 1 episode per week. So it's not exactly what I said, right? We actually skipped a summer as well. So we would film 12 episodes at a time, and we only had to film once every 12 weeks, just putting out 1 episode per week. As we started to get momentum, we started to see comments coming in saying, hey, can I work with you? Hey, can you teach me how to invest in real estate? How can I get your help? We then decided to increase that up to 5 episodes per week. About 8 months after that, we increased it to 7 episodes per week, and that's where we've been for almost the last 2 years, 7 episodes per week. So let me ask you a question. How seriously do you want hundreds of leads per day? Are you looking to get rich quick? Or are you willing to do the work? Okay, because this takes work. It took us 5 years to get to this point. 5 years. Are you willing to do it? Go watch my leaf strategy video and start there, and you'll get here too.